Biomedical research, a cornerstone of modern medicine, combines biology and medicine to improve healthcare outcomes. The history and fundamental principles of biomedical research reflect humanity's enduring quest to understand diseases and foster innovations in treatment and prevention. The origins of biomedical research trace back to antiquity, where early humans used observational techniques to treat ailments. Ancient Egyptians were among the first to practice what could be termed primitive biomedical research, utilizing ingredients from natural sources like herbs and minerals. However, it was Hippocrates, the Greek physician known as the father of medicine, who emphasized systematic study and observation over supernatural explanations of health disorders. Fast forward to the Renaissance, when figures like Andreas Vesalius revolutionized the field with anatomical studies that challenged existing medical knowledge. The invention of the microscope in the 17th century by Antony van Leeuwenhoek marked another revolution, allowing scientists to observe microorganisms and further delving into the microcosm of human biology. The 19th century ushered in the era of modern biomedical research with the establishment of pathological anatomy as a discipline. Rudolf Virchow advanced the cell theory, fundamentally changing the understanding of disease as something that occurs at the cellular level. This period also saw Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch develop the germ theory of disease, laying the groundwork for microbiology. In the 20th century, biomedical research surged ahead with discoveries such as penicillin by Alexander Fleming, which introduced antibiotics to the world. DNA's double helix structure, unraveled by Watson and Crick, propelled genetic research to the forefront, while the development of vaccines dramatically reduced the prevalence of many infectious diseases. The rise of computational biology in the latter part of the 20th century ushered in new methodologies, such as bioinformatics and systems biology, transforming biomedical research into a multidisciplinary adventure. The fundamental principles of biomedical research are grounded in ethics, transparency, and reproducibility. The ethical paradigm is critical, especially in human and animal studies. Consent and welfare remain paramount, guided by frameworks such as the Declaration of Helsinki, which prescribes ethical norms for research involving human subjects. Transparency in biomedical research ensures that study results, methods, and data are shared openly with the scientific community and the public, facilitating collaborative efforts to verify and expand upon findings. Research reproducibility is another cornerstone, emphasizing that results must be replicable by different researchers across various settings to verify the validity and reliability of conclusions. Today, biomedical research continues to build upon its rich history, driven by technological advancements like CRISPR gene editing and artificial intelligence, promising innovative solutions to age-old problems like cancer, genetic disorders, and infectious diseases. In summary, the history and principles of biomedical research exemplify the continual advancement of healthcare, echoing the resilience and ingenuity of the human spirit in the face of medical challenges.